What's up, YouTube? Today I'm going to be showing you how to fix your Blazer Big Shot GT8000 when it starts misfiring. So for me, I took it offshore, and now it takes at least a couple clicks to get it going. And I spent a lot of money on this torch, and that kind of pisses me off. But it's an easy fix, so it's no big deal. Alright, so this is what I was able to do, and hopefully you are too. Let's take a look at this. Do you see that little piece of plastic inside of this, and see how it's faced downward? Alright, well that is our problem. If we can get that to face upward, and the upright, if we can face it to straight like the nozzle, straight like the nozzle, should fix our problem much better. Alright, let's see what we got. Perfect. So, hopefully this helps you guys out. I'm really a big fan of the Blazer Big Shots. I think they're a great torch. They're definitely my favorite torch. And so far, I've had no other problems with it. And, like I said, it was an easy fix, guys. So if you've got that problem, I definitely recommend trying that out.